kids. Let's see what these people are doing right now. What are they doing? They are skipping the rope. What is the baby doing? The baby is crawling. What is he doing? He is watering a tiny plant. What is he doing? He is bouncing an orange ball. What is the little girl doing? She is playing a guitar. What is she doing? She is listening to music. What is he doing? He is running after the bus. What is she doing? She is clicking her picture. What are they doing? They are exercising. What is she doing? She is riding a bicycle. Okay kids, hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.